Okay, you Volvo Amazon lovers. This is my parts car. It's a 64. Had really good fenders on. This door had some issues at one time. Somebody kind of filled it. But yeah, what's going on with this one today is not only are we going to try to make this a convertible, we're all going to make it a fenderless, doorless hot rod. Okay, folks, just kidding about that. This is the roof skin I cut off. I'm going to clean the back of it up. But what's going to happen is I have a 33 Plymouth coupe that was done probably back in the 60s, and they had welded a piece in it and leaded it in. They riveted and leaded it, and then over the years, as it started to fail, they put a soft top on it, and then as that started to creep out, they put a bigger soft top on it until they had their soft top all the way back here. So that roof skin, I laid it on top here, and on the Volvo, I'm spinning it sideways. So let's say the front end of the Volvo's up there, this would be the rear. So by laying it sideways, I get actually the correct curve to put that on that roof. So yeah, I'm gonna get that cleaned up, and then clean up the car, lay it on there, and then see how far I'm gonna take it over that, and I'll be back. Okay, I got that piece trimmed out. It's gonna sit in there beautifully. I left it long in the back. There's 2 rows of holes from the old insert that they had on, and there's some rust and some dents. So I think once I get this tacked in here, what I'm gonna do is cut out this garbage back here and then butt weld it in, and that should fix all that. And it'll get rid of this huge ugly dip in this factory lead seam here. But yeah, it's sitting high because it's sitting on top of the metal there, but this side I'm just gonna have to put just a piece of bar stock under it, whoop, to bring it up there a little bit, and that will fill that factory gap there nicely. I do have an issue here. There's some rust pitting underneath here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice that underneath, but leave this on there, and then I'm going to cut along there and drop out that piece from the inside, and then butt weld that in, and that'll get rid of that. I have to just trim along the edge a little bit to get it perfectly fitting. But the curve of this Amazon roof is absolutely perfect. And I think it's gonna be the cat's meow. Right, Archie? Now he shuts up. Yeah, that thing's gonna look good. I don't know where he went. Watch this. He thinks he's gonna get fed. Okay, go over to the bowl. And yep, there he is. I just fed you. I just fed you. Yep. I just fed you. Starving cat. Oh. Shop for hot rods.